All right. That all finished late last night. It's blue. It's pretty blue. The engine compartment all shined up and looking good. Used some Super Clean products on it to bring it around. "2012, I think it said 97,000 miles or something like that. Pretty clean. For being in Illinois, there ain't no rust on it. Very clean. It was well taken care of. I think it was his dad's or his grandpa's or somebody, but he got it from a family member that passed away. So that turned out real nice. It was pretty nice from the start. Did a little leather treatment on the seats and loosen them up a little bit. It's pretty good. This thing is in very, very good shape for the year. No rust hardly anywhere that I can see. Pretty color. Like the chrome wheels. But it's shiny. I like that blue. It's pretty. Alright. Should wrap it up for now. Got another one. I'm supposed to post the first video from this. Haven't done that yet. Guy's been a little busy. Alright, hop off here and get it moved around and start on the next one. Alright, catch you guys later. Leave a comment below, hit the like button, whatever you gotta do. Thank you.